Hi, welcome. This is Peter Katz from Boot Düsseldorf 2025. Welcome at the Jet Thruster stand. I would like to show you around and show you the Jet Thruster products. I'd like to show you our 4 Jet Thruster pump units, JT30, JT50, JT70 and JT90. With these pump units, we're able to maneuver pleasure boats through a powerful water jet. The jet thruster installation typical can be installed to the bow and the stern section of the boat with one pump unit. This is called our jet thruster combi. As you can see in the boat here, we have a nozzle section in the bow, a diverter valve, the pump unit and the stern section. We're looking here at the nozzles. Jet thruster systems work with nozzles. These are composite elements that you are placing in the bow or the stern section of your boat. This is a transom nozzle. You place this nozzle under your swimming platform at the transom of the boat. It will push the boat on its to the side. We're looking at the Jet Thruster Micro. This very compact thruster unit is suitable for boats up to 25 feet. Inside the box you will find everything you need to install the products, such as hoses, ball valve and the nozzles. Besides this, all the electrical equipment such as the cables, battery connections, joystick controls, all included. The Jet Thruster system offers superior control with advanced water jet technology, delivering precise, silent and maintenance-free thrusting while reducing drag and cavitation noise, even in shallow waters.